Good morning to you. This is the Wednesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. It is a milder start to our day today than what we've had the past couple of days. Our temperature's running mainly in the 50s. Even the mountains there in the 50s. It is 55 degrees in Banner Elk at about 5:30 this morning when I'm cutting this video. And along the Avalon Pier web camera, the Outer Banks there, 59 degrees there as well. Notice the wind is calm. You don't see that wind calm at that site very often there in Kitty Hawk. Now you look at the storm tracker radar here this morning. A few sprinkles back into the foothills and the mountains, and that's about it. Just kind of a sign that the atmosphere is beginning to moisten up a bit. Pretty good amount of cloud cover in parts of the mountains and the foothills as well. That's advanced on in from the west early this morning. There's all the showers and storms, though. Parts of Pennsylvania, Maryland, back into Ohio, Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, and then arcing back from there to Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma. That is all associated with a frontal boundary that is going to be our big weather player over the upcoming weekend. Beautiful day yesterday, though. 77 the high in Raleigh and Greensboro, Wilmington, too. 74. I should say Raleigh and Charlotte and Wilmington, 74 in Greensboro, 70 degrees up in Boone yesterday. And there's your 50s this morning. Even the mountains largely in the 50s this morning. Not nearly as chilly. Those clouds moving on in. Again, a few sprinkles back into the foothills. And there's your warmth building through the southern plain states. Right now, you have a lot of 70s through parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. And that warmth is gradually marching our way. Now, a fresh push of cooler airs up here in the northern plain states, in the upper Midwest, some 20s and 30s, and many spots in that part of the country. And eventually, we'll see that renewed push of cooler, drier air arrive at some point early next work week. But before we get into that, we have that next cold front to contend with. Now, ahead of it's going to be a warmer day. A lot of 80s for highs out there today and again tomorrow. And especially up around the Virginia border areas, both today and tomorrow, there could be a few showers and storms. And gradually Friday, that chance of at least a few isolated storms begins to work further southward. But it really looks like Saturday is the day with the best chance of showers and storms. That cold front gradually pushing in an area of low pressure riding along it. And the result will be, it looks like a fairly unsettled weekend forecast with some shower and storm chances. Now, not a washout this weekend, but especially during the afternoons, some pretty good chances of seeing some scattered showers and storms around. Quick look at the tropics through the Gulf, the Caribbean, the western Atlantic. No sign of any concern out there. Still have Nadine all the way over there in the northeastern Atlantic, but no threat to the U.S., obviously, and things are pretty quiet in the tropics outside of Nadine. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday, and God bless.